Innovative design, how creativity drives revolutionary ideas. Creativity is the cornerstone of innovation. It's the spark that ignites groundbreaking ideas, leading to revolutionary products, services, and processes. Innovative design, at its core, is about challenging the status quo, thinking outside the box, and finding new and better ways to solve problems. The role of creativity in design. Creativity plays a pivotal role in the design process, problem identification. Creative thinkers often identify problems that others might overlook. Idea generation. Creativity fuels the generation of diverse and unconventional ideas. Solution development. Creative solutions are often characterized by their originality and effectiveness. Prototyping. Creativity is essential for designing prototypes that are both functional and visually appealing. Testing and iteration. Creative thinkers are more likely to embrace experimentation and iteration, leading to improved designs. Key elements of innovative design. User-centric design. Understanding the needs, desires, and behaviors of users is crucial for creating innovative solutions. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Bringing together people with diverse backgrounds and expertise can lead to more creative and comprehensive designs. Experimentation and risk-taking. Innovative design often involves taking calculated risks and exploring unconventional approaches. Iterative process. Design is rarely a linear process. Iterative design allows for continuous improvement and refinement. Visual thinking, visual aids such as sketches, models, and prototypes can help to communicate ideas and inspire creativity. Examples of innovative design. Apple, known for its sleek and intuitive designs, has revolutionized industries like smartphones, computers, and music players. Tesla's electric vehicles and energy storage solutions have challenged traditional automotive and energy industries. IKEA's flat-pack furniture has made affordable, stylish home furnishings accessible to millions. IDEO. This design firm is renowned for its human-centered approach and innovative solutions to complex problems. In conclusion, innovative design is a powerful force that can drive progress and improve our lives. By fostering creativity, embracing experimentation, and focusing on user needs, designers can create revolutionary products and services that shape the future.